Hi guys, it's Ella again. You asked and I listened. Today I'm gonna share another YOGOODY treat, but this time for when it gets cold. So let me show you the ingredients we're gonna use today. First we start with whole wheat flour. Then we use some shredded coconut, 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, of course, the YOGOODY Shake Mango, 1 orange, and baking powder. Guys, the first step is to make sure we don't forget to preheat the oven. We start preparing the YOGOODY shake. We pour a little bit of water inside the bottle. Then we open the powder and we mix it. We're gonna start with mixing the YOGOODY shake with the 2 eggs. And we're gonna whisk it. Now we're gonna set this aside and we're gonna mix the dry ingredient, the flour, the shredded coconut, and the baking powder. Then little by little, we add the wet mixture into the dry one. I already smashed the 2 bananas and we're gonna add them to the recipe. And mix everything together. You can also add some orange zest to the mixture if you'd like. The dough is ready and we're gonna pour it into the muffin cups. Make sure to pour about 2/3 of the size of the muffin cups because it's gonna grow. To finalize, we're gonna add a little bit of shredded coconut on the top of the muffin before it goes in the oven. Now it's ready for the oven. And let it cool slightly before serving. Now all you have to do is take a bite.